Top 7 Best Drinks Diabetics Must Drink at Night. Lower blood sugar. If you're living with diabetes, you already know how important it is to manage your blood sugar levels every single day. But did you know that what you drink at night can have a huge impact on your glucose levels? Not just overnight, but even the next morning? In today's video, we're diving into the top 7 best drinks that diabetics should be drinking at night. These beverages don't just help you sleep better, they also support your body in naturally flushing out excess sugar and rebalancing your system gently and effectively. Whether you're trying to curb late-night sugar cravings or just looking to boost your overall health, these drinks are so much better than sneaking in a scoop of ice cream before bed. Stick around till the end to see how these drinks could completely change the way you manage your blood sugar. 1. Lemon water. Let's begin with something incredibly simple, yet deeply powerful: lemon water. You've probably heard of it before, but don't overlook what this humble drink can do, especially for someone living with diabetes. More than just a refreshing beverage, lemon water has a long history of being used as a natural, gentle way to support health. The real magic comes from its vitamin C content. This essential nutrient isn't just for boosting your immune system, it actually plays a key role in helping your liver function better. And why does that matter? Because your liver is responsible for processing and eliminating toxins, including excess sugar in your bloodstream. When your liver is supported, your whole body finds it easier to stay in balance. Vitamin C helps the liver produce glutathione, one of the most important antioxidants your body makes naturally. Think of glutathione as a helper that clears out what your body doesn't need. Some studies even suggest that vitamin C may help lower fasting blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. So not only does lemon water hydrate you, it may actually support your body in managing blood sugar more effectively. Making it is as easy as it gets. Just squeeze the juice of half a fresh lemon into a glass of warm or cold water. If you like, you can add a small pinch of cayenne pepper for a gentle kick, or even a tiny drizzle of honey. But be careful with the honey, especially if you're watching your sugar intake. The beauty of lemon water lies in its simplicity. It's affordable, accessible, and easy to make a part of your nightly routine. Drinking it before bed can feel like a small, calming ritual, something quiet and peaceful you do just for yourself. And sometimes it's exactly these small habits that bring the biggest changes over time. 2. Green tea. Green tea is more than just a refreshing drink. It's a powerful ally in managing blood sugar levels, especially for those with diabetes. The secret lies in the catechins, which are antioxidants that help improve liver function and enhance the body's ability to process sugar. These catechins are also great for reducing inflammation and promoting overall health. Regular consumption of green tea can support the body's natural processes in ways that make a difference over time. But that's not all. Green tea contains a small amount of caffeine, which can increase metabolism by about 4%. This might seem small, but it can play a crucial role in fat oxidation and weight management, both of which are vital for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. By helping the body burn fat more efficiently, green tea supports your overall goal of managing diabetes. What makes green tea even more suitable for an evening routine is the presence of L-theanine. This amino acid promotes relaxation and helps reduce stress, making it perfect for winding down at the end of a busy day. Unlike other caffeinated drinks, green tea doesn't interfere with sleep, so you can enjoy it in the evening without worrying about staying awake all night. In fact, research supports these benefits. A 2023 study involving over 2,200 adults in China showed that those who regularly drank green tea had improved insulin sensitivity and lower insulin secretion. This is a significant finding for anyone looking to manage blood sugar levels, as better insulin sensitivity means the body can process sugar more effectively. So how can you make the most of green tea? It's easy. Simply steep a tea bag or loose green tea leaves in either hot or cold water. You can even try different types of green tea, from the classic varieties to flavored options, to find the one that best suits your taste. Whether you enjoy it hot or iced, green tea can be a delicious and calming addition to your evening routine. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, may not be the most pleasant drink, but don't let that deter you. Its benefits for blood sugar control are truly worth considering. The magic ingredient here is acetic acid, which plays a vital role in slowing down the digestion of carbohydrates. This slow digestion helps prevent those sudden blood sugar spikes that can leave you feeling sluggish and drained. The result? A more stable blood sugar level that helps you avoid the energy crashes that often follow meals. But that's just the start. ACV has also been the subject of several studies, including a 2019 study published in the International Journal of Medical Research and Health Sciences, which found that consuming ACV before bed can significantly lower fasting blood glucose levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. It works by improving insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to better regulate its blood sugar. This is a game changer for anyone working to maintain balanced glucose levels. In addition to supporting blood sugar control, ACV may also help with weight management. It does this by boosting an enzyme called AMPK, which is responsible for increasing fat burning and making your body more efficient at using glucose for energy. If you're managing your weight along with your blood sugar, this could be a helpful tool to include in your routine. The best way to enjoy ACV is simple. Just mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and drink it before bed or before meals, depending on what works best for you. The timing doesn't have to be complicated, and it's easy to add to your daily routine. However, if you have acid reflux or any other digestive issues, it's important to consult with your doctor before incorporating ACV into your diet. The acidity of ACV may aggravate certain conditions, so it's always best to check in with your healthcare provider first. While it may take a little time to get used to the taste, the benefits of apple cider vinegar in supporting blood sugar control and overall health are definitely worth the effort. With just a little bit of effort, you could be giving your body the support it needs to manage blood sugar and feel more balanced overall. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss more tips to help you manage your diabetes. And if you have any questions or need more advice, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you and help in any way I can. Let's keep this conversation going and support each other. 4. Cinnamon tea. Cinnamon is often seen as a cozy addition to desserts and baked goods, but its benefits go far beyond that. For those managing blood sugar levels, cinnamon is a powerful ally. The secret lies in its polyphenols, which work in a way similar to insulin. These compounds help transport sugar from your bloodstream into your cells, where it's used for energy. This natural action can be incredibly helpful for keeping blood sugar levels stable throughout the day and especially at night. In fact, cinnamon has been the subject of several studies highlighting its effectiveness. A 2019 systematic review found that cinnamon can significantly reduce fasting blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity in individuals with type 2 diabetes or prediabetes. This means that cinnamon doesn't just help lower blood sugar, it also helps your body use insulin more effectively, which is key for overall diabetes management. One of the best ways to incorporate cinnamon into your evening routine is by making cinnamon tea. It's simple and incredibly soothing. You can either steep a whole cinnamon stick in hot water for about 10 minutes, or add half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon to a cup of hot water, then steep and strain. Either way, you'll end up with a warm, comforting drink that's perfect for winding down before bed. What makes cinnamon tea especially great is its naturally sweet flavor, which means you don't have to add sugar to make it taste good. This not only makes it a healthier choice, but also a satisfying way to enjoy a warm beverage at night without the worry of spiking your blood sugar. Plus, the calming effects of cinnamon may help you relax and prepare for a restful sleep, which is so important for your overall health. So, next time you're looking for a soothing drink before bed, consider cinnamon tea. It's more than just a tasty treat. It's a simple, natural way to help manage your blood sugar levels while enjoying a cozy, delicious beverage. It's a small step you can take each evening that could make a big difference in your journey toward better health. 5. Cucumber water. Cucumber water is one of those simple yet incredibly refreshing drinks that you might not immediately think of, but it's a true gem for anyone looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Not only does it help keep you hydrated, but it's also a fantastic low-calorie option that supports detoxification. Cucumbers are packed with water, which is essential for overall health. but they also contain powerful antioxidants called cucurbitaceans. These antioxidants play a role in enhancing liver function, a key player when it comes to regulating blood sugar. The benefits of cucumber water don't stop there. This drink is also great for curbing sweet cravings, which can be especially helpful if you're trying to avoid sugary beverages that can lead to blood sugar spikes. The naturally mild, refreshing taste of cucumber offers a satisfying alternative to sugary sodas or juices, making it a great choice for your evening routine. By choosing cucumber water, you're making a healthier decision that supports both hydration and balanced blood sugar. Making cucumber water is incredibly simple. Just slice a cucumber and let the slices infuse in a pitcher of water for a few hours or overnight in the fridge. The longer it sits, the more flavorful and hydrating it becomes. You can also add a few sprigs of fresh mint if you want to elevate the flavor, turning it into a spa-like drink that's both soothing and revitalizing. It's a drink that not only refreshes but also promotes liver health, which is crucial for blood sugar control. The beauty of cucumber water lies in its simplicity. It's an easy, low-effort drink to prepare that you can enjoy any time, but especially before bed. Whether you're looking to hydrate, support your liver, or simply enjoy a cool, light beverage, cucumber water offers so many benefits for your health. It's a small, natural change you can make to help manage blood sugar and feel your best. 6. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is one of those simple yet incredibly powerful drinks that can make a real difference for those managing blood sugar. At the heart of its benefits is gingerol, a compound in ginger that has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. This means your body can use insulin more effectively, which is crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Studies on diabetic patients have shown that ginger can reduce fasting blood sugar levels, making it a great natural option for blood sugar management. But ginger's power doesn't stop there. It's also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help combat chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is something that often goes unnoticed, but it can actually impair insulin function over time. By including ginger tea in your routine, you're not just helping with blood sugar control, but also supporting your body's ability to fight inflammation and improve overall health. Making ginger tea is easy and enjoyable. Simply take a 1-inch slice of fresh peeled ginger root and steep it in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you prefer, you can also use half a teaspoon of dried ginger per cup. For an extra boost of flavor and vitamin C, try adding a slice of lemon to your tea. The lemon not only makes the tea more refreshing, but also adds a nice citrusy twist to the naturally sweet and warming taste of ginger. Ginger tea is perfect for winding down after a long day. Its soothing properties make it an ideal addition to your nightly routine, helping to relax your body and mind. Plus, it's a great way to stay hydrated while reaping the benefits of this amazing root. So, the next time you're looking for a warm, comforting drink before bed, reach for a cup of ginger tea. It's a simple, natural way to support your blood sugar levels and overall health, all while enjoying a delicious, calming beverage. 7. Turmeric milk. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, is a comforting and powerful drink that combines the health benefits of turmeric with the soothing qualities of milk and spices like cinnamon and ginger. At the heart of this drink is curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Studies suggest that curcumin can help improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to manage blood sugar levels. It's particularly helpful in lowering post-meal blood sugar levels, which is crucial for anyone trying to maintain stable glucose levels. What makes turmeric milk so special is its combination of ingredients. Turmeric works hand in hand with black pepper, which enhances the absorption of curcumin by the body, ensuring that you get the full benefits. The addition of cinnamon and ginger not only adds depth of flavor, but also brings their own health benefits, such as anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. This drink is not only delicious, but also a powerhouse of nutrients that support overall well-being. To prepare turmeric milk, simply warm up a cup of dairy or plant-based milk of your choice. Stir in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper to activate the curcumin, and any additional spices you enjoy, like cinnamon or ginger. For those who are trying to limit their sugar intake, it's best to skip the honey. as this drink is naturally flavorful without it. The rich golden color of the milk is a sign of the goodness packed in each sip, providing a calming, soothing experience that's perfect for winding down at night. Turmeric milk is more than just a tasty beverage. It's a way to take care of your body while indulging in a comforting drink. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, reduce inflammation, or keep your blood sugar in check, this golden milk is a simple yet effective addition to your nightly routine. So next time you need a warm, nourishing drink before bed, reach for a cup of turmeric milk. It's a flavorful way to support your health and bring a sense of peace to your evening. I hope these 7 drinks will help you manage your blood sugar levels and make your nights feel more peaceful and balanced. Remember, every small change you make for your health can have a big impact over time. It's about finding what works best for you and making choices that support your body's needs. These drinks are simple yet powerful tools in your journey toward better blood sugar control, and with just a little effort, you can start feeling the benefits in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. And make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on more tips, recipes, and advice on how to live your healthiest life. We're here to support you every step of the way, so let's continue this journey together. Check out our other videos for even more helpful tips to manage your diabetes, and stay tuned for more exciting content. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate your support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.